So there's thunder coming from over here. Well, I'm getting rained on. And then there seems to be sort of two storms colliding just here. One coming from over there, and then this dark load from there. That was very good timing. I have to say that was brilliant timing. Cheers, Buddy. Actually, what does Buddy think of thunder? I don't think he really cares. Nah, he doesn't care. Rocky the white cat's quite scared of thunder. This darkness is definitely coming towards us. It's very hot and humid actually. It's hotter than it was earlier. I didn't think it was going to get too hot today, but it's pretty hot. I could hear thunder coming from here, which is good because it's coming right towards us. I mean, it's not good for everyone, but like it'll be good to film, especially if there's lightning flying about.